Welcome. I'm Teriel of Teriel Samuels Pilates, and this is Pilates Need to Know, my series on the basics of Pilates, covering everything you need to know before starting an at-home Pilates program. This video's topic is spinal articulation. Let's dive in. Articulation is super important in Pilates. You will often hear me and many other teachers say to articulate the spine while rolling up or rolling down, bone by bone, inch by inch, or vertebrae by vertebrae. Whenever you hear this, your goal is to work very carefully through each part of your spine. You'll want to literally try to set down or peel off the vertebrae one by one, using your abdominals to curl and uncurl the spine, mobilizing and separating each actual vertebrae as much as possible. This is super hard to do, and it takes a lot of practice, focus, and concentration. You will feel areas of your spine that don't want to articulate, and that's okay. You might get stuck, and that's okay. I often get stuck in roll-ups when my back is especially tight in places. If you feel that happens to you, make sure to take extra time working through the tight spots of the back. If you work slowly, breathing into those spots and really working on those areas, that over time will help increase that mobility in order to help you articulate your spine better in the future. Over time, your articulation will get better and your spine more flexible, and it'll feel great. And that's my need to know on spinal articulation. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments and I'll make sure to answer them. Thank you for watching my Pilates Need to Know series. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you'd like notifications when I post new videos and Pilates workouts, click the link in the description to sign up for my newsletter. This is Teriel from Teriel Samuels Pilates signing off. Bye for now.